Top 10 Denim Factory in Bangladesh. Number 1. Pacific Jeans. Pacific Jeans Group has flourished as a world-class premium jeans manufacturer since its inception in 1984. We've evolved through nurturing innovation and sustainability at the heart of every operation. Today, Pacific Jeans redefining the world of denim, leading the transformation in the industry through contributing to creating a responsible apparel supply chain for a sustainable future. Pacific Jeans has become a trusted partner of many world's biggest fashion brands by exporting to over 50 countries. Number 2. Hamim Denims Limited. Hamim Denim, one of the largest denim manufacturing company in Bangladesh, which was established in 2007, currently having a capacity of approximately 5 million yards per month with an in-house spinning production up to 1200 tons per month. It has end-to-end process from spinning to finished denim fabrics with modernization and state-of-art while becoming a complete vertical setup. Number 3. Beximco Denims Limited. Beximco Group is the largest private sector group in Bangladesh. Beximco was founded in the 1970s by two brothers, Nehmat Sohail Fasihur Rahman and Salman Fajlur Rahman. Since the early days, the group has evolved from being primarily a commodities trading company to a leading, diversified group with a presence in industry sectors that account for nearly 75% of Bangladesh's GDP. Beximco's corporate mission is taking Bangladesh to the world. Number 4. Argon Denims Limited. Argon Denims Limited was incorporated as a private limited company on 13 July 2006 under the Companies Act 1994 to produce denim fabrics. The commercial operations of the company started in March 2008. The factory is situated at Shripur in Ghazipur district of Bangladesh. The company mainly produces medium and premium range denim fabrics in various weights ranging from 4.5 ounces to 13 ounces. The annual production capacity will reach a mark of 18 million yards by December 2012. Number 5. Envor Textile Limited. Envor Textiles Limited is a 100% export-oriented denim fabric manufacturer. Envor Textiles is also the first denim project in Bangladesh with rope dye technology and currently considered as one of the largest denim manufacturer of Bangladesh. The factory is located in Bhaluka, Mymensingh, 60 kilometers away from Dhaka. Built within 45 acres of land with planned sustainable landscape and facility. Number 6. Jamuna Denims Limited. Jamuna Denims came into being as a composite unit in 2005. The company produces basic to fancy denims. The factory has fully computerized ultra-high-speed air jet looms. Its products range from regular, canvas, chambray to cross-hatch, Oxford and Bradford denims. Modern and latest machinery sourced from USA, Switzerland, Germany and Italy guarantee precision in production technology. The plant also has a wastewater treatment plant for effluents. Uniform thread tensioning and controlled stretching processes renders Jamuna's denims a very exquisite quality in terms of varied uses. Number 7. Mahmood Denims Limited. Mahmood Denims Limited, a sister concern of Mahmood Group, is one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of denim fabric in Bangladesh since 2006. MDL has developed a fully vertical setup of spinning, weaving, dyeing, finishing and ETP plant with the latest sustainable technologies. Mahmood Denims employed green technology to produce environment-friendly denim for world-renowned buyers like H&M. Number 8. Nassa Denims Limited. Nassa Denims Limited specializes in the production of the finest quality indigo denims for clients including Marks and Spencer. The mill is equipped with an ETP system as well as the newest manufacturing technologies from Belgium, Germany, Switzerland and Taiwan. Via these technologies and a fully trained workforce, the division delivers a production capacity of 1.8 million yards per month. The overarching aim of Nassa Denims Limited is to produce the finest quality indigo and variant denims to meet the discerning demands of our worldwide customer base. Number 9. Amber Denim Limited. Amber Denim Limited is one of the most renowned and leading denim fabric manufacturers in Bangladesh. It has two units, Amber Denim Limited and Amber Denim Mills Limited. Amber Denim Limited commenced its production in 2006 and Amber Denim Mills Limited in 2012. The current capacity is 3.5 million yards of fabric per month. Denim portfolio covers menswear, womenswear and kidswear from bottom to shirting in weight range from 4.5 ounces up to 15.50 ounces by premium cotton and innovative fibers with a sense of denim collection that maximizes the comfort and functionality of the fabrics. Number 10. Shasha Denims Limited. Shasha Denims Limited began its journey as a family-owned company with a vision to create a global standard in green and sustainable denim manufacturing industry. We have now positioned ourselves as one of the leading 100% export-based denim manufacturers in Bangladesh, while we continuously develop and refine environmentally friendly techniques and procedures with a more than human consideration creating our denim products.